The Supreme Student Government has launched a school-wide project to reduce waste by collecting PET bottles.
Science News. Mount Calaon eruption. On June 3, 2024, Mount Calaon eruption forced thousands of residents to evacuate their homes as the volcano spewed in descent to the sky. Authorities have raised the alert level, closely monitoring the situation.
Para sa agham ng Araling Panipunang Balita, ang paghahanda para sa mga sakuna ay hindi nagsisimula sa araw ng kalamidad. For Mappy News, the opening of the intramurals of the We Service National High School happened on September 9, 2024. This ceremony has successfully announced by the assistant principal of the school.
ESP News. Edukasyon sa pagkakatao, we focus on values that shape our character and guide our decision.
For TLE News, equipping us with practical skills. In our classes, we've explored entrepreneurship, where creativity and risk-taking come together to form the foundation of a successful business.
News with no bias.
News with no exception.
This is Links News Patrol, the voice,
The agents,
the catalyst of a Herbesanon. Good day, Herbesanon.
Good day, Philippines.
Today, September 30, 2024. And I am Jillian M. Depositario.
And I'm Junie Gayoso Jr. And you are watching to
Links News Patrol. Welcome to E-Service National High School Broadcasting Exhibit 2024. And I am Jillian M. Depositario.
And I'm Junie Gayoso Jr. Today, we're excited to present you a unique blend of knowledge and creativity as our grade 10 students take on challenges of reporting across various subjects.
From Filipino, Math, English to Science, Araling Panlipunan, MAPE, ESP, and TLE. Each subject will offer insightful perspective highlighting how this topic influence our both daily lives and the world at large. This event is not just an exhibition of knowledge, but a testament to the critical thinking, teamwork, and communication skills of our students.
In ESP, we focus on values that shape our characters and guides our decision. In today's world where information is readily available, it's easy to get lost in the noise. That's why one of the core lessons we've learned is the most importance of truthfulness in service. Being truthful means not just avoiding lies but actively seeking the truth in every situation. This becomes particularly important when we are faced with challenges, whether in school, at home, in our communities. Our decisions must be guided by honesty and integrity service. On the other hand, is the expression of love and concern for others, whether it's through small acts of kindness or larger community initiatives. Showing love through helps build stronger with more compassionate communities. Through ESP lessons, we've learned that living integrity and serving others are essential to making meaningful contribution to society.
TLE, or Technology and Livelihood Education, is all about preparing us for the real world by equipping us with practical skills in our classes. We've explored entrepreneurship, where creativity and risk-taking come together to form the foundation of a successful business. In today's fast-paced world, having the right skills and mindset can open doors to countless opportunities. Through TLE, we're preparing ourselves to become successful professionals, whether in the field or agriculture, technology, or even culinary arts. The lesson we've learned in TLE will serve as the foundation for our future careers, helping us to become not only self-sufficient, but also innovators who contribute to the growth of our communities.
This year's Great Lakes Extramurals showcased stellar performances across various events. The basketball championship saw an exciting finish, while volleyball featured dynamic plays. The cheer dance team impressed with vibrant routines and standout performances, while swim, badminton, and table tennis, traditional sport, highlighting skills and awareness in taekwondo. With swimming also featuring impressive achievements, congratulating all participants for their remarkable performances. And that's all for today. And once again, I am John De Manava. Thank you.
Mathematics is often seen as a subject that deals with numbers, but reality, it offers us insight into patterns that can help predict the future today. Let's explore how the power sequence helps us in real-life situations. The Supreme Student Government, SSG, has launched a school-wide project Reduce Waste by collecting PET bottles on the second day and 65 on the third. This increasing pattern is an arithmetic sequence where each day collecting increased by a fixed amount. But let's look deeper. The number of battles steady increased by calculating the sequence. We can determine that on the 5th day, the SSG will collect 85 battles. Now, what if they continue this effort for a week by applying the formula for the sum of arithmetic sequence? We can predict that by the end of the 7th day, the amount of total battles collected will reach 385. Sequence, we can predict that by the end of the 7th day, the amount of total of battles collected will reach 385. This initiative shows how mathematical thinking isn't confined to the classroom. It's a tool we can use to create positive change in our community.
Hello everyone, I am Maydala Cruz, news reporter. In today's science report, we examine one of the nature's most powerful and fascinating phenomena, volcanic eruptions. Recently, Mount Canlaon, an active volcano of the island of Negros Occidental, erupted, sending ash plumes into the earth and causing the minor earthquakes. Volcanic eruptions remind us of the immense forces that plate shapes our planet according to the plate tectonic theory. The Earth's surface is made up of the several largest plates that float on molten rock. The movements of these planets cause them to collide, pull apart, or slide against each other, leading to the volcanic eruptions. But how we do prepare for these natural events? During an eruption, it's important to community to near the volcano to have an emergency plan in place. This includes identifying evacuation routes, stocking the foods and water. The volcano's activity through updates from agencies like PVOX. During the eruption, stay indoors wearing masks to protect against ash. Inhalation and avoiding low-lying areas where lava cold flow air and step for safety. These real words continued between science and safety underscore the importance of understanding natural forces and the needs for preparedness in the face of disaster.
Ang ating bansa ay hindi ligtas sa mga suliraning pangkapaligiran tulad ng bagyo. Ang mga ito ay nagdudulot ng malaking pinsala sa ating mga komunidad, kaya't bilang mga mag-aaral tungkulin natin ang maging mahanda at maging bahagi ng mga solusyon upang mapanatiling ligtas ang ating mga pamilya at komunidad at ahensya ng gobyerno. Higit sa lahat, dapat tayong maging bahagi ng programang pangkomunidad na nagsusulong ng kaligtasan at pangangalaga sa kapaligiran sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan. Mas maprotektahan natin ang ating mga sarili laban sa mga banta ng komunidad.
And that wraps our Quickcutting Exhibit 2024. We just saw how interconnected our subjects are with the one world around us. Each report showcased the depth of understanding of our grade 10 students have gained and how they can apply these lessons into the real-life situation. In environmental awareness and disaster preparedness to physical health and entrepreneurial skills, our students have demonstrated their readiness and to take the challenges of the modern world.
We hope this presentation has inspired you to continue learning and applying the knowledge you've gained. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing from the Brown student of Luis Orbias National High School. Until the next time, this is Anes Kais Librando
Stay curious, stay motivated, and stay informed. Thank you for listening to our station. Again, this is Links News Patrol.